This is the Plumbeeze PLU-PEWFV-RSA08 replacement stem assembly. Now the stem is going to come complete with the check assembly here on the end. Now it is spring loaded. As you can tell, when I press that in, it's forcing itself back out. Now on the end of that check assembly, you've got a rubber washer secured by a Phillips head screw. And you've got that rubber fin here, and then another O-ring here at the back end of the check assembly. And then on the stem itself, you've got a large set of male threads that run all the way around the outside of that stem. That's what's going to allow that stem to thread into the body of the faucet. And coming down to the back end, see that square, almost like pinched end of the stem. That's what's going to fit into the handle, and the handle screw is going to go through and secure it. Now it's also going to come with the packing nut, which has a hex head and a large set of male threads. And then your packing support washers and the rubber packing. Now those are going to go on the back end of the stem, so support washer, packing, and your final washer. And we're going to go ahead and get a couple dimensions of each part that's going to be included with the kit. Starting with the stem itself, we're going to measure it from end to end with the check assembly extended. So measuring from the head of that screw on the check assembly all the way down to the very, very back, we're right at 11¼ inches. And we can also get an outer diameter here at the packing nut. It's going to be right at about 7/8 of an inch. And outer diameter at the threads, just shy of 7/8. Our packing, outer diameter right at 3/4 of an inch, with a thickness of about 1/4 of an inch. Our support washers should measure extremely similar to the packing. Yep, so right at 3/4 outer, and just over almost 1/2 inch inner. And once again, this is the Plumbeeze PEWFV-RSA08 replacement stem assembly.